To sign up for EveryDollar savings goals, start by visiting the EveryDollar website and clicking on the Get Started button. This will take you to a page where you can create an account by entering your email address and choosing a password. Fill in the required information and click on the Create Account button. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to set up your budget by filling in your income and expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and how much you can allocate towards your savings goals. You can add your income and expenses by clicking on the Add Income and Add Expense buttons. After setting up your budget, you can start creating your savings goals. Click on the Savings Goals tab and then click on the Add Goal button. Choose the type of goal you want to create, such as saving for a vacation or a down payment on a house. Enter the amount you want to save and the date by which you want to achieve your goal. EveryDollar will then calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. You can adjust this amount based on your budget and financial situation. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. To make the most of EveryDollar savings goals, it is essential to regularly review and update your budget and savings goals. This will help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. You can also use the EveryDollar app to track your progress and receive reminders and notifications. To help you stay motivated, by following these steps and using the tools and features provided by EveryDollar, you can create a personalized savings plan that helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to be realistic and patient, as saving money takes time and discipline. With EveryDollar, you can take control of your finances and start building the future you want.